Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Gemini for business productivity. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Gemini for business productivity, all you gotta do is simply go to Gemini. Now you need to use the Gemini in slides panel. Like you need to simply go and tap open your Gemini and open it in your side panel to quickly generate the new slides, like a meeting agenda, or generate custom images for your presentations, rewrite your content, and more. You can generate custom images, slides as image, or infographics with Gemini to add to your slides. You can even remove your background from any image in a slide. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to use your Gemini for business productivity and make your business work more advanced, ethical, efficient, and effective. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon. Keep on watching. Bye.